In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to use an Outlook group in Microsoft Teams. Outlook groups are the perfect starting point for any collaborative team, as they provide a shared mailbox and calendar, which you can access from Microsoft Teams. To start, open Outlook Online, and click the Groups icon in the left menu. Here, click New Group at the top, or click the down arrow and select New Group. Enter a name for the group. We'll call ours Editors. To change the group's privacy, click Edit. Then click the Select box, and choose a new privacy. We'll leave ours as private. At the bottom, you can choose to send all group conversations and events to the members' personal inboxes. When you're done, hit Create. On the next page, add your team members. But we'll skip this for now. Once you've created your group, you'll find it listed in the left menu. This is a Microsoft 365 group, with a shared inbox, where all members can view received emails. There's a space for shared files, a calendar for events and meetings, and a members section, where you can add and manage members. If you want to receive emails from people outside your organization, click Edit Group, or click the pen icon next to the group name. Here, scroll down, and click the box under External Email Settings, which allows anyone to send emails to your group. To finish, click Save at the bottom. To create an event, head back to the Events tab. Here you can expand the calendar by clicking the current month, and you can navigate between months using the side arrows. Now head up and click New Event, or click the down arrow and select New Event. Add a title. You can make this a Teams meeting by clicking the toggle. Choose a time. And when you're done, click Save at the top. We can now see the new event listed under the calendar. If your group uses Microsoft Teams, head up to the address bar and copy the link. Then open Teams, and click Teams in the left menu. Here, click the plus icon, and select Create Team. On the next page, click More Create Team options at the top. Then click From Group in the left menu, and locate the group you just made. Hover over the group, and click Add Team. Now head back to the list of teams, and you should find your new team. If you're using the online version of Teams, you can add the events page to the general channel by clicking the plus icon. Then select Website. Name the site Calendar. Then paste the link into the input box. Finally, hit Save, and your team members will have quick access to the events page and shared email inbox. That's all for this video. Please leave a comment if this helped, and hit the subscribe button for more Microsoft videos. Also, for all the latest Microsoft news and free exclusive resources, be sure to click the link in the description and grab our weekly newsletter.